This is the Sunday Business Page with John Delano.
Good morning. I'm John Delano. Welcome to another home edition of the Sunday Business Page. And our very special guest today is Robert McTiernan, who has been a school solicitor for a number of school districts in this area for the past 30 years. Bob, thank you, sir, very much for joining us.
Nice to be here, John.
I wanted to have you on to talk about this very important Supreme Court case this past week that involves student conduct outside of school, where the school suspended her from cheerleading for her actions. Can you tell us exactly what this case is all about and what happened?
Yes, John, a freshman cheerleader sent a Snapchat to some of her friends with a vulgar statement and gesture regarding school, softball, and cheer. And as a result of that, she was suspended from the junior varsity cheerleading team.
And what did the Supreme Court say about that?
Well, the court decided that that disciplinary action violated her First Amendment rights, that in light of the circumstances, and they listed some of those, that the district had no right to issue that suspension, even though it was restricted to the cheerleading team only and not a suspension from school, that was a violation of her right of free speech.
This is broadly being interpreted as a First Amendment case that really stands for the right of young. They have First Amendment rights. And in this particular circumstance, this young 14-year-old was outside of the school. I think the general rule is that when you're in school, schools can regulate your speech and your conduct, even though there are certain First Amendment rights. But when you're off campus, it's really your parents who are in charge of the kids, not the school district. But there are exceptions to all this, and it gets a little murky. Maybe you could help us understand, when is a school permitted to regulate speech content of students outside of the campus?
Well, the court continued a standard where they say, in cases where the speech disrupts the education in the classroom or threatens or disrupts an individual's participation in education, that can be regulated. But the court's term was it would be extremely skeptical of attempts to regulate off-campus speech. So it has to be a serious matter.
Yes, and my understanding is that while students are free to use vulgarity to describe anything, frankly, outside of the school, if they engage in harassment or bullying of students or teachers, or if they're using school property like a computer from the school, or if they are at a school function off campus, like a football game or something, the district then might have some ability to regulate conduct and speech. Is that right?
Yes, and I think that's, from a school district point of view, that's one of the, even though the school district here, Mahanning School District, lost the case, I think it says that school districts do have some ability to protect students and protect education, even with really severe off-campus conduct.
Finally, I was interested in the fact that Justice Breyer, who wrote the opinion, basically said schools, it sounded like he was saying schools should be doing more to teach how important the First Amendment is, and that the First Amendment protects unpopular speech. So even speech you don't like is protected under the First Amendment. Do you think school districts are going to do some of that?
You know, John, that's a really wonderful point. The judge said one of the reasons to protect First Amendment activity is students need to learn that unpopular speech has to be protected in a constitutional democracy. So one of the reasons for this standard is to promote that understanding by students of our right of free speech.
Well, Bob McTiernan, I have a feeling that a lot of school districts are going to be consulting you and other solicitors about this case in the days ahead. Thank you, sir, very much for spending time with us. I really appreciate it.
Thank you, John.
And thank you for watching this edition of the Sunday Business Page. Have a great Sunday, everybody.